Okay, 23. For the exponential function f, the value of f of 1 is k, where k is a constant. Okay. Which of the following equivalent forms of the function f shows the value of k as the coefficient or the base? Okay, before going to this second statement, let's just solve it. What if we put f of 1 in all of these four? So if in option A, I am doing f of 1, which is 50 times 1.6 times 1 plus 1, or 50 times 1.6 whole squared. If you use the calculator and multiply it, you get 128. So for A, it is 128. Okay, let's check it for B. For option B, if you put f of 1 in option B, f of 1, let's change the color, f of 1, right? And then 80, 1.6 times 1, if you multiply 80 with 1.6, you get 128. Again, the same answer. Now let's check for option C. Option C is f of 1 is equal to 128. I am putting x is equal to 1 into this one. 1.6, 1 minus 1, 0 is equal to 128 into 1.6 raised to power 0, and any number raised to power 0 is always 1, is equal to 128. This again is 128. Okay, in all options we are getting 128 as the answer. Now let's do D. F of 1 is equal to 204.8, 1.6 times 1 minus 2. Okay, a little bit of exponent rules. 204.8, 1.6 plus 1 minus 2 is minus 1. Now how to solve this? If we use the rule of exponents, right? So to make it positive, it will become like this. I'll give you the link for the negative power rule, right? Just see that video. And if you solve it, again you get 128. So all these options are giving me f of 1 is equal to 128. Then what is the question? The question is, which of the following equivalent forms of the function f shows the value of k as the coefficient or the base? That means base or coefficient is 1 should be 128, not f of 1 should be 1. Yes, f of 1 is 28, but which of the options is showing coefficient as 128? So here, as you see, 128 is the coefficient or the base. So that means C is the right option.